So, Starling and his nagging old lady are back, and apparently she can't eat herself. She is very demanding. She is very, very demanding. She is very, very, very demanding. Golly. Jesus. Wow. Here's the blue jay. He don't want... No, I don't think he wants any part of her nagging. There he goes.
Look at the blue.
He's like, shut up.
Isn't that just fitting? She is so The bluebird's favorite.
Feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me. Good Lord.
Yeah, earlier he just finally left her. He just left her there. He just looked her, and she started eating on her own. I said, I'll be damned. She can eat.
You're going to be a divorced bird if you don't stop.
I know. I don't know how. He's a very patient man. Good Lord. Oh my God.
She's saying, feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me, feed me.
You must love her. Oh, anyway, put up the cat. She's like, can I get a couple bucks? Look.
They jumped down. You can still hear him on the ground.
You hear him across the yard.
Good Lord. It's almost time for a refill. Thanks for watching.